One of the biggest concerns that everyone has in undergoing an operation is how successful it's going to be. Obviously, no one wants to have revision surgery or secondary surgery, and obviously everyone who embarks on a surgical procedure is expectant that they will not be the one who needs it. Rhinoplasty is a very, very special case. Rhinoplasty is in fact the most detailed, the most complex of all the facial surgical procedure. Dozens and dozens of different steps, and everything has to blend together to get the very best result. Rhinoplasty is a little bit like a chess game where you might know what each technique or each move does on the chessboard, but the final result is only determined by putting all of those moves together to achieve the result that you need, and every move affects every other move. So there truly is no such thing as a simple rhinoplasty. Because of this, we want to know very specifically what the patient, what you would like to have achieved with your rhinoplasty. And in our hands, we can achieve a 95% satisfaction rate the first time. But even in the best of hands, there will be about a 5% revision or touch-up rate in rhinoplasty. This does not mean doing the whole operation again, but it may mean removing just a little bit of bone or cartilage here that is a little bit more than it was before, or perhaps adding a little bit back. This is because when we do a rhinoplasty, certainly the surgical procedure is very, very critical to the final outcome. But other factors come into play. How are you going to heal? People heal differently. They lay down different amounts of scar tissue. What about your skin? People have different thicknesses of skin. They have different abilities of the skin to contract or to expand. And so these things have a tremendous impact on the final result. And of course, we're talking about many millimeters in change as to what the final result means to you. And so we do our very best to achieve a superb result the first time. But some patients, about 5%, may come to have a little touch-up procedure. When these are done, the success rate again is well up into the 90% range. And so in our hands, the probability is extremely high that we can achieve an excellent result for you, but in the rare occasions, there may be a revision to get that final superb result.